people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on the place you're watching my video from. It's the Boss Lady YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel and put up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. You'll be the first you're going to see our video on your timeline. So thank you all for coming once again, and God bless you. And today we get one ogbonge tori. If una hear this story, hey Jesus, so I don't know as I want to address am, I don't know as I want to talk am. Things dey happen, my people, things dey happen. Make we enter matter wetin carry us sit down for this hot seat for here so. Boss Lady family, where una open una ear o, una dey hear matter, una dey hear wetin dey happen for inside this obodo oyibo. Now one of our sister na cry to us o. Wetin say happen? He say far back 10 years ago na he come, but when he did that kind 2 years in abroad, which is about 8 years ago, there was a day say he friend dey do birthday party. That is, he friend boyfriend dey do birthday party. He come invite him make he come. So he enter train from our city, they go this he friend city where he boyfriend dey. He say so as he come down for train station, he come meet 3 guys dey waka dey come towards him direction. You know say boy see girl we like na you know. He say so as he see, they all begin dey laugh, but all of them dey look in one kind. He come dey uncomfortable the way they say they look him. He say so later one of the guys come waka come meet am. He come talk to him. He say as he talk to am, they don talk, he come ask him number and all that, he come give am. He say so as he give am the number, they come dey communicate. Wetin he come do for the city? He never see your face before. He say come tell am say he come party of him girlfriend boyfriend for this their city. He come say okay. Where he come tell he come say okay, they will dey go the party later. We will see then. He say really they come see for the party, they come dey together and all that. He say when they don that, the boy say following go, he come say no, he no fit follow you for this first time. Next time make we dey talk, you will invite me officially, then I will come see you. He come say okay. He said that they can't really they talk. After they don't talk for like 2 weeks, he can't invite me, he can't they go. He said so when he reached the guy house, when they don't groove, enjoy, zero all the places, when night comes, they enter us. Now there, Tori for Kawiya Buluku. He said, bros, nothing, anything not there down. I say, which one is anything not there? He said, a bill of Yako like this. You know, reach like toothpick. He said, nothing. He said, who picking when they're born today for boy, a big person. You know, if you manage and because not today, not to come man, nothing. Oh, you bolo, you look very well. He said, say, brother, what is there now? I tell the play for your side. Because say, me no say I beg. Now this will be problem all in life when they see the mother when in the pass through. He never one day fit friend any girl when they talk to it, they come, they see him like this. All of them they always go say I beg, make she not still go in love her. He come tell her say, but there's nothing with me and you want to take dinner. I want to relax, I want to do the thing. He say he come say I beg, they beg him. Then he come tell her say, okay, wait till go happen. Your mother, your parents then we can't say no. Okay, bring your mother number, may we call. And may we talk to your mother, say see your condition, maybe your mother will still understand. Because definitely when he born you, now in the bath they come when you grow up, you go know what they play. He can't say no, say shame not go let him tell him mother can't see. Nobody for a family, no. Now say, but you know you all grow up meet her like this. Definitely they go no now, I beg. The guy can't say no, he can't say okay. Then he can carry a bag, he can go ask. The boy called the beg and say, I beg, make him go friend boy. But make him just see him, make the street, because he says this way he come abroad. They never see him with any woman, I beg. Make the still feel say him get friend. He go help you the wash plates, but since he no get the way go tell the completer, you go the completer for another guy for outside. He say cause okay, he go reason now. He say as when they don't break, he go carry back, he go go as. When they reach, I see reason, I wish can't see be this way. He go say I beg of it. And as he just call him cutting us, I beg no verse. I don't feel accept that kind of thing because tomorrow when you go they follow. If you come here saying they still follow you, all those kind of thing. If okra enter, they come they tell you, they don't believe say you will not they touch anything, they do with you. So he no wants problem for a life. He say come say okay, oh. But the guy come they call, they try, they insist, they beg the girl, say she not hungry. Come say okay. So as fate and destiny may have it, e say after 8 years wey dis thing don happen, e come go the same city again because hook up person come hook she and this very guy wey dis thing come happen again to, so dem up somewhere. So one of her friend, when they say your friend, give me your friend, those kind things, say her friend, another of her friend come hooking up to one guy. He say me and this guy come still dey talk, dey call, dey talk, dey talk. He don already love the boy for phone already because the boy dey flow till the day he still come go meet her. He say but when he reach there, then he come still say na the same city, they all come still dey talk. He and the boy na him type, he all like the boy, dey flow, they all say. He say so this boy na all these cultist boys, all these aye people. He say so all his friends go just gather come, na only those na only that one na just deprive him. He say he no like this kind of life, he be all like the boy, but the boy just kind gede na the boy just dey gede. He come say he no gbadu this kind of pattern of the boy. He come tell am say all these things na e no good now. He say no, all these my brothers, he be all those man na my brothers, so I fit do anything for them. He say come say okay, na him first visit for her mind, maybe go fit change am with time. So when day break, day dark, e don stay 2 days, they just still dey gist. The boy come dey ask am say this our city, you don fit come before, you know anybody here? He say he come tell the boy say he never stay here before, but he don fit come one time for party of her girlfriend, boyfriend, like that. He come dey explain say but he come meet one boy that time, but he and the boy they no do anything. Say it happen. He say when he dey explain to the boy come say which kind of guy be this one, which one be say anything. He come say am say nothing bolo yente na be that place, nothing dey there. He say come say they see that kind of thing. He say come say yes, so nothing dey there. And he come say okay, no he say na that boy when they get her see that first time when they be 3, na him younger brother na be this bolo so na the elder brother na come be this one wey come see now. Things dey happen o my people. He say so na so he come take stay o. The next thing when he don talk to the guy finish, the guy no even take am as anything, He say all of a sudden he just see person enter house. As he enter house, he come dey suspect say this face, e resemble this guy that time. So this guy himself come dey look him say be like say na this guy, because say all this our latest makeup, e dey even change person face sometimes. And person wey years ago he don say, he say so he no really, he come dey suspect say be like say na this guy that time. He say so the boy dey look am, he dey look the boy, he come lost when he dey look am alone. The boy, the way two of them come take dey look each other, na the boyfriend wey come see, so which is the elder brother to that boy, come ask am say you and my brother know before? Come say na your brother? He come say yes. Come say no. He come ask the boy come say no. Say but the face familiar. He come mention the girl name. Then the boy come say yes, na him na. Then the girl say you come suffer get up when you enter bedroom. Then the boy come go meet and say you know my brother before? He come go tell her say na that I don't know say na your brother. I wanna tell you later. Come say they be same person mama o. Come say na this guy sorry. Now I just tell you yesterday say he carry me enter the city. When I don't enter on a city, I don't know say na your brother o. When I tell you say na bolo nothing. Then the boy say abeg money mo which one be say bolo. Na my younger brother with the girl at the open body with the bath and all that now. Come say na me dey tell you say nothing dey there. He come call his brother say okay, me if I let the girl comot, say when she don comot, he say come ask the brother say see you. Then the brother say yes, na true. How manage? But him dey see you before. Then say then the brother come tell am, the younger one come tell the senior brother say all in life na this one be wetin e be problem. Una dey laugh, no get girlfriend, no woman dey stay. If they come once they will run, if they come once they will run. When you come rest, you no come dey talk to before you come meet that girl. Say but if he wan baff, maybe he wan throway cloth for one day, he know the way they code himself be say una no go see that territory side. As him brother na that one no even take notice for all those things, say they hide body and all those things. He say the way he take dey do, nobody dey notice am, but he dey close that territory side, make anybody no notice am or suspect anything. So now the senior brother come dey say so you dey get all this problem all these years, now you no cry out. Then the senior brother come call him mama say mama see wetin happen o. Then he come tell am say why e be like this? abeg now go find wetin be the solution. Say because all im brother all of them get heavyweight, how manage the younger one come get obiako like that? Na their mama come tell dem say they themselves know say they no be the same papa but they be the same mama, but they no dey let people around when they dey abroad, nobody they know say they no be the same father the same mother, but they be the same mother really. He say because they real close, and na this senior one carry that younger brother come. He say then the mother come tell dem say you know say where you go bother your younger brother put, the man don first get 2 wives wey be say all of them na so girls na dem born. The man need male child, he need son, and he already get 4 boys. So now the man make am come marry and say this woman be like say na so man so boy dey born. So the woman say when he really get okra of that very boy we get this stress, so he can go, and one of her friends come carry him go Ishan land. So he can't get ready for do all those traditional medicine helps they can't do for him. Say if he dey drink this medicine, say he start to drink that medicine immediately, her okra dey 3 months. He drink am till him born. Say they come tell him say if na boy no wahala, but if na girl e suppose be, this medicine wey you dey drink na go come change am to boy. Say but if he come get some disfigure, but wetin matter e go be boy. He come say no problem. So him mama say he's really take drink that medicine that year, about 30 something years ago now. He just drink the medicine till he really deliver that very boy. When he really born am, he say they no quick know whether na born am. He say because e be like wawa, he no quick show anything. Na only the boy they come know say na something dey there say na boy. Now he come dey grow up, dey come him mother say he don battle everything wey go fit do. He no fit work. Now he take leave am like that. My people, I say but your mother, you know say na disfigure your enemy like that. You see, the boy say no, but wetin come be the solution wey the boy go do now? Anyway, no be the boy cry to us, but we dey feel for the boy according to this very story. I really feel for am because the story really dey emotional. But the problem wey come dey inside am be say that boy say he must still marry this girl for all these years. He don take dey find this girl still love am, and this is senior brother wey carry the girl come now wey come dey be new boyfriend. He say like no dey leave the girl for anybody. He must marry the girl. The girl now say he love the senior brother. He say he love the senior brother, You hear? He say he love the senior brother. Okay, now wetin he wan do? The senior brother say no go leave am for the younger one. The younger one no go get anything. That one say make he come marry or make the friend, but make he follow another man. The senior brother carry heavy weight, while the younger one na obiako. Okay, but the girl in question say he love the senior one. He be like the younger one, but being that he know the same again for all these years, and he know say anything on there, then make him leave am. But he don't love the senior one. Now I make am for my own opinion. The way I take talk to her, everybody entitled to his or her own opinion. Now I tell her say, but why can't you just leave this family and let go? Just leave this family since you don't see the way it be, and they're very close. They be the same mama. They don't even be let you yourself know. You just say they be the same part, the same mama as well. Instead of you to come tear this family apart, just let them be, make them go. Find another person, say make I not talk, I love the boy. Now make you come ask and say, waiting go do whether you feel really go in for this boy. I say you are your own, my dear, because this kind of family, 2 brothers, when you love each other this much, if you can't enter, you get the way the matter day, you go cause big havoc into this family. We be say forever, they know if you play again, number 1. And you yourself, you go the baba your own head, You go the run for your own head. I say beg, leave this family. Say no. Say if there's any other thing wey you go fit do, me for fit take follow this senior wey don love. Now I say love him and marry him. Now yeah, that be the thing. So make she really follow this senior one now. We can say he love her, or make she leave the 2 of them. But she not ready to leave. Saying he will still follow the senior one. So I beg my Boss Nation family, no help us advise this our sister. You know, say anyone will cry to us, we dey always give everybody shoulder. The little advice we get, we dey give, and God dey make e still dey help the user and dey deliver them at that particular time for any situation wey dem get. Thank you all again for being here. Thank you all again for coming to my channel. Always tune to my channel and watch my videos. Till we see again on our next video. Bye.